oh my god, it's the Tui factory. Absolute dog shit. Get that out of here. Worst beer in New Zealand. You can't change my mind. Other than like some really shitty hazies and stuff. But yeah, hands down, bro. How are they still in business since, what was that, like fucking 1400s, bro? You've been around for too long, bro. And all the old dogs, you don't like it. Your taste buds are just so gone from years of smoking or old age that you can't even taste it anymore. So it's just, might as well be battery acid, and you'll be like, oh yeah, it's got a good kick to it.